Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to embed signup form on WordPress with Omnisend. Alright, so first up, go to your WordPress dashboard and just go ahead over to plugins and make sure to install an Omnisend plugin. Okay, just gotta find Omnisend right here. Wait for it to load, and you could either choose newsletter, email marketing, or email marketing for WooCommerce. Okay, just select one and just hit on install. Okay, so once that's installed, you can go back to Omnisend. Okay, and go ahead over to forms right here, create a form, and make sure that the type is embedded. Okay, but if you want as well, you gotta choose from one of these templates right here. So basically what you'll do is just go and select one. For example, this one right here, just click on use template. And once that's done, you can go to further customize your sign up form right here if you want to. Okay, just do make sure that you click on audience management. And by default, you have two tags, all right? Form subscriber or embed simple capture. Maybe you'd like to add in WordPress sign up, all right? Click on create new, and there you have it. Also, when someone signs up using this form via your WordPress website, it will be added to your contacts with tags, form subscriber, embedded simple capture, and WordPress sign up, okay? But if you want as well, you can go ahead and enable double opt-in. So once that's done, just click on enable form right here. Now you'll have this go, okay? Just click on copy or close it. You can go ahead and click on copy right here as well. And then just go ahead and go to your WordPress dashboard. Now in here, go ahead over to pages. Click on it. And if you want to, you can go ahead and add in a new page. Just go to the top, click on add a page, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can go ahead and give it a title, for example, sample from Omni, okay? And then just go ahead and click on plus sign and use custom HTML. Click on it, hit on paste, and then just go and click on preview if you have the paid account. And also you have connected both Omnisend and WordPress, just like what I've shown you earlier in the first step. Okay. And once you hit on preview, it will look like this. Okay. And after that, you should be good to go. That is it. But in some cases, if custom HTML does work, you can go ahead and use another block, which is a code or short code. Okay. Also, make sure that you have disabled the shields, all right, or pop-up shields if you have it in your browser. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.